The first step to do natural hair braiding as an eco-friendly chemical-free hairstyling business is have personal and professional hygiene as a natural hair braider. Hair braiders must be fully aware of the potential dangers of their procedures and how to prevent infection. They should follow general guidelines to help protect themselves and their client. Like it's so important for a hair braiding professional to use the Hair Needs Infection Control (HNIC) technique for hair braiding services. The HNIC technique is used to prevent cross-contamination. To ensure personal and professional hygiene, keep in mind the following points. Clothing needs to be clean. Don't let used equipment come in contact with clean or sterile equipment. Maintain the cleanliness of all supplies by storing them in a sanitary manner that protects all items from contamination. Make sure that the disinfectants are properly stored and those hair braiding products are properly labeled.